I like trains.
Hello everyone, we're here at Point of Rock Station, Point of Rocks, Maryland, in the snow. Got an eastbound coming. EMD's online. M372. It's really glitchy, but I can't really get the focus. It's really cold out. Yep, snow trains at Point of Rocks. This is by far the only one we're going to see tonight. Oh, Chessie system. And Conrail. That's awesome. Haven't seen those in a while. At least the non-auto parts. But yep, snowy Point of Rocks tonight. Short 372. This train's only 298 axles, and yeah. That 8856 was online too, so that's cool. My fingers are literally gonna freeze off. End is approaching. Got a UP boxcar, new one coming up here. That's it. Thank you all for watching. And we still have more Point of Rocks. And we were the Old Man Productions. We are cold. And once again, thank you all, and have a great day wherever you may be.